In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall League of Legends game from Riot client. So let's get started. So first thing, if you have League of Legends game opened, make sure that you are closing it and also close your Riot client. After you have done that, here we will be having this arrow icon. Click it and right click on this Riot client icon. After that, just click on exit. Now just go to search and type control panel, open it, click here programs, select programs and features. In this one, just search for League. Here we will be having League of Legends. Right click and select uninstall. It has been successfully uninstalled. Click on done. As you can see, I have got a lot of free space. You just saw, right, my new volume D. Now if I again open Riot client and if I click on League of Legends, this will show us install. Previously it was showing play option. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.